How can you analyze and compare shapes? What are different ways you can classify these quadrilaterals? How do you know all the shapes are quadrilaterals? All the shapes have four sides, so they are quadrilaterals. The shapes also have differences, so you can classify them into smaller groups.
Let's see what the groups are.
Shapes B, D, E, F, and G are also parallelograms. Each has two pairs of parallel sides. Why are shapes A, C, H, and I not parallelograms? Shapes A, C, and I have no pairs of parallel sides. Shape H has one pair of parallel sides. Shapes D, E, and G are also rectangles. Each has four right angles. Shapes B and D are parallelograms that are also rhombuses. Each has four equal sides. Shape D is a square and is in every group. It is a quadrilateral, a parallelogram, a rectangle, and a rhombus. Why is the square also a parallelogram? Squares have two pairs of parallel sides, so they are also parallelograms. Notice that all squares are rhombuses, but not all rhombuses are squares. Shape B is a rhombus, but not a square, because it does not have four right angles.
So now we're going to drag each shape into the box that describes it. So remember, a parallelogram has two sets of parallel sides. So I'm looking at A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. D has two sets of parallel sides. E has two sets of parallel sides. Ooh, let's see, F. F has two sets of parallel sides, and G has two sets of parallel sides. Remember, parallel lines mean they never run into each other. They never intersect. All right, and a rectangle, ooh, so we can move, it says drag each shape into any box that describes it. So we can move G into a rectangle, E into a rectangle, a trapezoid, a square. We can move this guy into a square. A rhombus, we know a rhombus has four equal sides. A square has have four equal sides with four right angles. Here is a right angle. A right angle would make a perfect square. Let's see, a quadrilateral has four sides. So this guy has four sides. This guy has four sides. Ooh, this one only has three. This isn't any shape. This has four sides. It could be a quadrilateral. It could not be a parallelogram, because if I kept going and going and going and going with this one and with this line, they would eventually intersect or cross. A trapezoid, I don't know. I'm going to say C is a quadrilateral. Let's see.
Now you know how to analyze and compare shapes.